guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mac&Chic. If this is your first time here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and you'll be notified every time I make new videos. So today I'm doing a collaboration with a bunch of talented girls and we are doing a pumpkin spice theme. So I wanted to show you guys a pumpkin spice snickerdoodle cookie recipe, and I had a ton of fun making these because they're so good. And it's the perfect last minute treat for Thanksgiving because, let's face it, everyone procrastinates for potlucks. So let's get started. So first we're going to mix together 1 cup of white sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar, and 1 cup of softened butter. So next I'm cracking the eggs into a smaller bowl, and then I'm going to whisk that and then put it into the bigger bowl so that it's easier to mix it all through. So the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but after making these, I highly recommend adding a little more, maybe 1 more teaspoon. So I would add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and then mix it all together. Next, you're going to use a separate mixing bowl and you're going to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and I put it all at once, but I highly recommend doing it in portions because it's so much easier to mix it all through then. But basically you're just going to mix it all through until it creates a dough. Then you're going to cover it and refrigerate it for at least an hour. Once that's ready, you're going to create the spice sugar coating. So that's going to have 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 3 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next, you're just going to scoop out the dough and form it into a ball before putting it into the spice sugar coating. And then after you roll it in there, you're going to put it onto the cookie sheet. And finally, you are going to bake them at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. So those are it for the delicious pumpkin spice snickerdoodle cookies. So I would love for you guys to try this recipe out. I did get it online, so I will link that link down below so that you have the full recipe. And if you do make them, be sure to post them and use the hashtag Mac&Chic so that I can check them out for you. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!